In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail account to your existing Gmail setup. This process is incredibly straightforward and should take no more than 5 minutes to complete. Whether you're managing multiple personal accounts, handling a work account alongside your personal one, or simply keeping your emails organized in separate inboxes, adding another account to your Gmail can streamline your email management significantly. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the account to which you want to add another email. You can verify this by looking at the top right corner of the screen, where your profile picture or the default avatar, if you haven't set one, is displayed. Next to your profile should be your current inbox, highlighted with a number that represents the unread emails you have. For demonstration purposes, let's say the inbox reads inbox 1767. Got it? Great. Now let's proceed to the next step. Look towards the top right of your Gmail screen, right where your profile picture or avatar is located. Go ahead and click on it. A menu should appear upon clicking, providing you several options related to your Gmail account and overall Google account settings. What we are interested in is a little further down that menu. Now that you've clicked on your profile picture, you should see an option that reads Add another account. It's usually located near the bottom of the menu options that appeared. This is the option that allows you to start the process of integrating another email account into your current Gmail interface. Click on Add another account to move forward to the next step. Upon clicking Add another account, a new window or tab will pop up, prompting you to begin the process of adding your new Gmail account. Here you'll need to enter the email address of the Gmail account you wish to add. It's a straightforward step. Enter the email address and proceed as instructed. Google will then guide you through the necessary verification steps to confirm that you indeed own the account you're trying to add. This might include entering a password, responding to a prompt on your phone if you have two-factor authentication enabled, or even entering a code sent to your email or phone. It's crucial throughout this process to pay close attention to the instructions Google provides. Depending on your account's security settings, the verification process may vary slightly from one account to another. However, Google does an excellent job of guiding users through this process, so simply follow the prompts. Once you've successfully added your new Gmail account, you'll be able to switch between your email accounts with ease. To do this, simply click on your profile picture again, and you'll see both accounts listed. Clicking on the account you wish to switch to will immediately take you to that inbox, allowing you to manage your emails from both accounts without the need to log out and log back in repeatedly. Adding another Gmail account to your current setup is not only convenient but also a great way to keep your personal and work emails separate, or to manage multiple personal accounts without the hassle of signing in and out. Remember, you can add more than one account following these same steps, making it even easier to keep your digital life organized and streamlined. In conclusion, adding a Gmail account to your existing account is a simple process that can greatly enhance your email management efficiency. Whether for personal organization, work, or managing multiple businesses, the benefits are clear. And remember, this process isn't limited to just 2 accounts. You can add several Gmail accounts following the same method. So go ahead and consolidate your digital communication in one convenient place. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.